What's up guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get a ringtone. So first, gotta download ES File Explorer. So yeah, in setting, I already go to sound and notification, then it should have there. So once you do that, if you have your music already, if you have music, all you got to do is go to your settings. Oh, where is it? There we go. Sound and notification, phone ringtone, yes, File Explorer just once. As you can see and this is how it will, sorry, I messed it up. This is how it should look like back then. So you got to find downloads, because you download your music, then find like, there we go, and it should be there. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.